Hey guys, it's Kay. I hope you're all keeping well and isolated. Now today, I want to take a quick look at the new Manjaro 20.04 that's available on your Raspberry Pi 4. So I'm going to take you through a quick install and then look at some of the great features Manjaro has to offer. So first of all, we just need to go to their website, all links in the description below, and download a copy of the latest Manjaro 20.04 for the Raspberry Pi 4. So once you've downloaded the Manjaro image onto your computer, transfer it onto a SD card. Now here I'm using the Pi Imager, but you can also use the Lina Etcher, and it shouldn't take more than 5-10 minutes. And once that's done, remove it from your computer and pop it into your Raspberry Pi. Okay, so the first thing you'll be asked to do is choose your keyboard layout. I'm going to choose UK. Then you'll be asked for a username and any additional groups. Then it will ask for the full name of the user you just created. Then finally it will ask you to create a password for the user you created and then to confirm it. Then it will ask you to create a root password and confirm it also. And then you'll be asked to confirm your time zone. So I'm choosing Europe London. And lastly, you need to choose your locale. So I'm using English US. And next you need to enter your desired host name for your system. And this is what will show up on your network. And lastly, it will ask you just to go over and confirm your settings. It should now take you into the Windows login screen where you can log in with your password. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is edit my config.txt file. So I'm going to overclock the Raspberry Pi to 2 GHz and then just exit and save the file. All details are in the description below, guys. Then all we have to do is do a quick reboot and we should log back into our overclocked system. Now straight away we can see the login interface is quite impressive. And as it says, enjoy the simplicity. So let's take a look at the menu. First thing we've got is favorites, which is empty. Next we've got applications. I'm liking this style, it's very Windows-like. Under development, we've got some development tools. Under education, we've got some education tools. Now we can add and remove these tools, and I'll show you later how to. Next, we've got internet tools, and we've got Mozilla Browser as default. And that's come up pretty smoothly. Now before I can browse, I need to connect to the network. So click on the Wi-Fi symbol on the menu, and enter your details. Or if you're like me, plug in your wired connection. And just wait for it to confirm. So browsing's a pleasure, video is great. And I haven't noticed any screen tearing in video playback. And even in full screen mode, it's a very good experience. Now I played the videos up to 720p without any issues at all, and I'm sure you could go higher. So let's take a quick look at Libre Office, the Microsoft Office equivalent. Now this is their draw application, and as you can see, the Raspberry Pi is handling graphics pretty well. So adding and removing applications is pretty straightforward. We just go to Settings, Add and Remove Software. Now as you can see, we've got loads of software. We've got a featured section, photo and video section, music and audio section, and productivity, comms and news section, and one for the kids, education and science, and not forgetting my favourite, games, and of course utilities. And lastly but not leastly, we've got development. Now if we go into system settings, we can do a cool thing, which is change the desktop theme. So if we click on global theme, you can see we've got a choice of 3 different desktops here. And we have an option to download more new themes. So I can click on the preview window to see what the theme looks like. So currently this is the Breeze theme. It's very bright and light. Okay, let's check out Breeze Dark. So here we can see the windows have just gone grey. A nice one for nighttime. Now let's try clicking on Get a New Global Theme. And as you can see, we've got some really nice looking themes here. We've got an Apple-like one and a very colourful rainbowy type one. So I'm going to install the Apple clone theme. So it's officially called the Mojave Light theme. So everything has changed apart from the desktop wallpaper. You probably need to tweak like with most themes. As you can see on the left, there's a column where you can change the appearance to your liking. You can change your cursors, fonts, colours. Now, one of my favourite things by far is the ability to add widgets onto the desktop. Just click on the Add Widgets and a side panel opens up with all the widgets available. And it looks like you can search for new widgets online. So this is my desktop just after 5-10 minutes of searching through the widgets. Looks quite professional even for me, if I don't say so. So I've got hard disk space, CPU monitor, memory status and network monitor. Anyway guys, if you found this video helpful in any way, please give us a like and maybe even subscribe for more great content to follow. And I will see you in the next one.